Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joker88. We have another video today for our Alfa Romeo 4C. So today, what are we going to do today? Well, we're going to do a couple of things. One of the things that I've read from the forums about the 4C was the head unit. I got the Parrot version. I know the later versions, they got the Alpine head units, but I have the Parrot, which is okay, really. But, you know, it's not really that stable, and you can't really do much with it, even though they say that it's Android powered, and it's got apps and things like that, but it's pretty worthless. I mean, I couldn't get it to work. It's better to use my cell phone. So, well, I've seen a lot of people on the forums, and they were changing up their head units with this unit that I got. So let's take a look at it. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so here's the box. I'll take the plastic one out first. This is where the front is right here. From what I hear though, there's a couple of things that's going to be a problem. From what I hear, the microphone is a different type of connector, so I cannot use the microphone that we have. Inside this box, we have the wiring diagrams and things like that. Welcoming you to the joining family with the QR code for Facebook and YouTube. And we have here, this one is, this is the GPS antenna. This one is a harness. From what I hear, it's like a plug and play, so hopefully that works out for us. There is the microphone. It'd be it's the LCD panel, and it's glass, right? Not like that. It has like that, you know, your iPhone or Android phone feel to it. Okay, so let's get you some specs on this joint right here. This unit right here, guys, is an 8.8 single DIN PX5 octa-core Android car unit. So that's pretty cool. It's got 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of ROM, and it displays HD 1280 by 480. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, detachable screen with a fixed mount. It has a built-in radio, a powerful radio chip. It's got an iPhone link, so we can connect to USB cable voice commands to make phone calls, use the map, listen to music, or read messages. Fast booting unit. It has a picture-in-picture function, GPS function. It also has a support of factory steering wheel control, which we don't have to worry about because the Alfa does not have any of that. We're all going to dive into this, and for those of you that have done this already, that's seen this, you guys are going to see all my mistakes. You're going to see all the screw-ups that I'm going to make, but it's going to be fun, man. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so first we're going to get our Parrot box, and let's get the instructions on how to remove that head unit that's on there now. So, number 9, that's the removal key. I just know where to put it. This is the star of the show. Now let's figure out how we're gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, one thing that I learned from the Madness Auto Works guys, when you look at their instructions on how to install stuff, they always say, go ahead and remove the negative terminal. Because when you're dealing with electronics, you don't really want to mess up your car. So again, the Alfa Romeo is so easy. there's a, you know, like that release lever right there. Look at that. It's a quick release. Just pull it back and the whole negative thing comes off so we don't endanger our car. I think another reason why you want to take out the negative terminal is you don't want to hear that dang annoying beeping from this car. Okay, so we are here. So I think we have to take the faceplate off. Take that off. You go on this silver thing right here. Push that. Alright, and then it looks like we're going to have to look for some sort of slots. Let's try this first one. Does it fit in there? Does it fit in there? Oh my god, yeah, this looks like it's going to work. Oh my god, look at that! And look how cute and small it is. Well guys, there's the parrot. Now we gotta try and take all this stuff out. Okay, now, actually before I do that, I'm gonna put something down here to protect. Okay, so you know, if it's dangling like that, it's not harming the leather in the bottom. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my phone and we're gonna take a picture so I know what cable goes where. Okay, so now we got the, I don't know, the bezel or whatever. We got the stock one out. So now we're gonna put the join one in. Alright, let's get our cables out. Cables all here. Okay. This. And I know a lot of people were saying, this doesn't work for the drawing because the drawing has the bigger one. Luckily, I have an adapter. You know, being to do a lot of music recording since I was in high school, I've collected many different adapters. So let's cross our fingers that this works. It went perfectly. So now we can mount this into our mic input right here. Bingo. What we need to do actually is we need to mount the GPS antenna. Okay. I need my Velcro stuff. Alright. So back here, I am going to mount. I want to mount this little Velcro tape right there. Oh yeah. And the other side on our GPS. Cool, it's very tacky. Okay, Velcro in place. Now let's just go ahead and mount it. I'll find that spot. Let's attach the GPS into here. And I don't like messy installs. Okay. Okay, so it seems like we're all pretty much set here, but what we're going to try and do is use this box to boot that up. We'll get the LCD panel. Like I said, we don't want to go to all the work and come out with issues. Okay, 2 clips in the back. Now we'll just kind of see if it's gonna fire up. Back to the negative terminal. Let's see what happens. Here is the moment of truth. Fires up. Can you see that? Android. Wow, it's fast boot up. That's the noise we want to try to get rid of. Sound works, right? Let's go to Bluetooth. Let me see if I can hook up with my phone. Okay, discovery. There we go. Let's see if we can hook up the phone. Just looking. Still looking for a device. Oh, found something. Found joining Android. Making headway here. What the hell is the code? Dude, we're connected. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do Bluetooth music. Okay, we got some zip ties. So we'll put that aside right now. What we're gonna do is clean this up right here. Because I'll probably get back to using these at a later date. But we want to keep them all together. Just love how everything vanishes all the time because I don't keep track of stuff. Clean up the GPS antenna cable. I'm probably gonna zip tie all of these guys together right here. Okay, I'm gonna unplug this real quick, and we're gonna plug this in. I think I can run the microphone down through here. So, I just fished the microphone out. Now, we need more zip ties. Okay. Let's just clean up our cables here. Okay, so we're going a different way. I ended up doing a auto dip. It's kind of like plasti dip, but it really comes out glossy. You don't really need to do, I mean, I could have done it in flat black, but I don't have any. All I have is this. This is the best one ever. I would say that auto dip is better than plasti dip because this one really comes out in gloss. Plasti dip, you have to buy all that gloss stuff, so it's a lot more work, and this is really good. So auto dip, that's where I'd go with. I didn't really worry about getting all this part because that's going to be hidden. The only thing I was really worried about are the rims that are around it. So I think it's fairly dry, and it's really smooth to the touch, man. It's really cool. Okay, so there it is, man. That is so cool. That wasn't too hard at all. Now let's see Let's see, fire up. Here we go. There's that sound. That gets old pretty fast. Pretty fast. Okay, so let's hit the home button. There's your home page, man. That is so cool. So I'm probably going to be spending the next hour here messing around with this thing. Well, there you have it, guys, man. That's pretty easy install. Not too bad at all. It's 100 times better than the Parrot for sure. I got some more time to work on a couple of things, add some more apps, but it's pretty responsive, as you guys can see. And I think now it really picks up the interior of this car, because that was kind of one thing that was kind of missing. This looks very OEM, as if it came out of the factory. It's not blocking anything. Perfect size. I mean, it covers everything, and you still see the striping. So I'm really happy with this. The install is pretty easy. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like that install. If you have a 4C, this is a must-do, man. I mean, you just gotta do it. It just kind of takes your car to that next level. So, pretty awesome stuff. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.